All right, listen up. Today is designed to suck. Once you get over that fact, you can have a good workout. Here's what we're doing. 45-minute AMRAP. You're gonna start off with 10 double front rack squats. Oh, by the way, this workout's called heavy. Men, it's 2 53-pound kettlebells. Women, it's 2 35-pound kettlebells. Then you're gonna go into a 400-meter run. Then you've got 100 meters of a double front rack carry. Once you hit that 100 meters, you come back, you've got 100 meters of a double overhead carry. Put those bells down, go into another 400-meter run. This is gonna be a refreshing recovery. Then you come off and finish with 10 double devil's presses. All right, so I mentioned this is heavy, right? This is gonna challenge you emotionally and physically, and make sure you don't quit on yourself. It might not be achievable by everyone, and especially for today's. So here's what you're gonna do if you don't either have A, both kettlebells, or B, 2 of the same weight kettlebells, or C, what you would do if you only have a single kettlebell, and then finally, D, all of the above. For every kilogram below the prescribed weight, you're gonna do an extra rep or an extra meter. So for men, that's 48 kilos. For women, it's 32 kilos. When a single kettlebell men, and that's 24 kilos, that is 24 extra reps per movement, okay, with the kettlebell. So you're gonna be then doing 34 squats, 400-meter run, you're gonna go on a 124-meter carry, all right? 124 meters back. Do your run, and then you're gonna go into 34 devil's presses. It changes the workout, yes. However, this is an AMRAP. You're working out for 45 minutes anyway. Don't worry at this point if you're not gonna be able to get 4 or 5 rounds. It doesn't matter. Do the work. In fact, anyone doing this 4 rounds at the prescribed weight, you're a superhero anyway. All right, what's the game plan? You get into those squats, you're probably gonna be fiery out of the gate. If you can do 10 unbroken, wonderful. If you can't, that's fine too. Remember, it's 45 minutes. Those squats are gonna be a small portion of it. Go into the run. Do not sprint the run. You need to be coming back from that run with enough energy, pick up the kettlebells and go right into the carry. What you need to make sure of is that there's enough juice in the tank so that when you put those bells down, you're able to do so safely. Don't go as far as you can without being able to take another step and then expect to put those bells down safely. You're gonna drop them. You're gonna break yourself or you're gonna break the surface you're on, both of which are bad scenarios. So make sure that you've got enough juice in the tank to put those down. There's gonna be an efficient speed. If you go too slowly, you're gonna be using a lot of energy. If you're going too fast, you're gonna be using a lot of energy as well. So you've gotta find that Goldilocks speed. It might take you a few sets to figure it out. I didn't figure it out the whole time. Once you finish those carries, you're going right back into a 400-meter run. Use this as a recovery. You wanna be able to get into the devil's presses right away. You shouldn't have to recover going into those devil's presses. Devil's presses, you're doing a burpee from the kettlebells and then getting both bells overhead. Whether that's a double snatch, double push press, whatever it is, it doesn't matter. Get those bells up overhead. You might only be doing 1 at a time. That's fine. Don't rush it, take your time. Have I said it already? It's a 45-minute AMRAP. So go at your own pace. Just know that you're gonna have a great time for 45 minutes and then nothing else is gonna get in your way. Have fun, see you on the leaderboard. You can do this either on a track or as an out and back from wherever you are. Measure your distance using your phone's GPS if you don't have a GPS watch. Mark those distance markers according to the weight that you have. Have fun. See you on the leaderboard. Now this is when it gets tough. Devil's presses can be done. I said this is when it gets tough. Wow. This is when it gets tougher. The limiting movement is going to be the devil's press. As long as you can do 1 devil's press safely, it's fine. Don't worry, you don't need to go lighter. It's designed to be difficult. Once you get into those front squats, it's okay to break them up. Do not expect to do 10, okay? This whole workout is going to need to be broken up. If you think of it more like a 45-minute strength workout, you're gonna have a better time. The problem is ego. Those of you who think you should be able to do this unbroken, you're gonna get broken. You should be able to put those bells down comfortably and understand that that is part of this workout. Whether you need to break it up 1 rep at a time, 5 reps, doesn't matter. Just get through it. It's a 45-minute workout.